Hi everyone! Hi lovely people! So how are you guys today? Kamusta na po kayo? If you're gonna ask me the same questions, I'm still alive and kicking. Normal pa naman po tayo kahit may mental hospital na po ang mga vloggers. So ayan, it's me Jen once again and I'm back with a new vlog. So for today's video, get ready with me because I'm heading out now going to Watson's to pick some skincare goodies because I have a 1,000 challenge for skincare. I'm gonna buy skincare kasi ang tagal na po hindi ako nakakabili ng skincare. So ngayon pa lang po, inipon ko lang yung 1,000 na yun. So I have a 1,000 pesos challenge for skincare. Ayan, sana magkasya po. Tara guys, samahan niyo ako. Let's go! I'm here now with the hair care section. So I'm just gonna pick my favorite hair care. Vita Keratin. Maganda siya. The premium keratin treatment with argan oil po siya. Isa yan sa mga paborito kong gamitin. Oh guys, come on. I'm checking out now on the skincare section. I like this Lux Organics. I've been using this for years now. So now I'm heading up now to second floor. So nandito na ako sa taas. I'm gonna pick some skincare.
My favorite brand is Lux Organics. That is my go-to pick brand every time I visit Watson's, especially their lotions, their serums, and soothing gel. Meron silang buy one take one na lotion which is yung Milk Glota, Retinol Glota na whitening serum lotion at saka yung Niacinamide serum lotion. Gustong-gusto ko din yung soothing gel nila na meron na siyang whitening pearls na pang-hydrated talaga sa skin nila. And especially yung kanilang serum na Miracle Repair Luminous Bright Serum na may niacinamide per percent, vitamin E, licorice extract. Grabe. Hindi siya talaga sticky when applied to the skin. At yung pang-night routine ko naman is the retinol serum. And of course, to be added, I love their Cica Rescue Daily Cleanser na meron na siyang Centella asiatica and hyaluronic acid. Isa din sa favorite kong brand ay yung St. Ives na pang-scrub. Talagang maganda siya pang-exfoliate sa skin. At ayan lamang po mga katsugsugan. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I hope your day is going amazingly. Babush!